was like inches away from it. Like poof, there it goes. It's beautiful, it really is here. It's a dam, they dammed this up, and it's Corps of Engineers. Oh, look at that. They said no diving here today.
Hey guys, this is James with the Impossible channel. We're going to be talking about Nibiru once again. I've just uploaded some videos on the weather, you know, about like for example earthquakes that could happen. Volcanoes could erupt. Anyway, this is it, guys. We've got massive weather anomaly. We've got weird stuff in the skies. I'm gonna show you that Nibiru now is what seems to be there seems to be like alien crafts coming out of Nibiru. That's what I wanted to see with these pictures, and I think I saw that. You know, like I think that we have enough. You know, remember, I've just uploaded 2 videos ago an entire floating city on our clouds, installed on our clouds, and there is a UFO, and that ISS live feed, there is a UFO that hovers over that city. So whatever is happening, we are being visited. They are here. Our planet is probably facing weather anomalies such as worldwide summer. So what's going to happen right now is our oceans are going to heat up. We're going to have earthquakes that are going to start, you know, happening all over because the tectonic plates are going to start moving. We're going to have volcanoes erupting, and we're going to possibly have tsunamis and weather, for example, changes, for example, like storms that are not quite normal. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is a UFO that is hovering over very close by this other object we see in the sky and we call Nibiru. Okay, this is a picture that was sent to us by Facebook, and well, thank you very much for you guys, you know, anonymous source, you know, you guys are awesome, just keep it going. You see here in this picture we can see our sun and what seems to be Nibiru, right? And from Nibiru we are having these alien craft sightings, you know what I mean? It's not the first time that people are saying that they see alien crafts hovering over next to Nibiru, but this is the first time our channel gets evidence of this, you know. So I just wanted to share this with you guys because I think it's worth it, you know. This, for example, is a picture that one of the most compelling pictures we've ever seen. This is from Alberta, Canada. You can clearly see that we have our sun and we have what seems to be another, you know, smaller dwarf star, you know, another, you know, whatever. Planet X, whatever you guys are calling it, Nibiru, you know, sun reflection, you know, dome reflection, whatever it is there. And not only there, we have UFOs that are hovering over and we don't know where they're coming from. Okay, so this is quite weird, you know, that it's not the first time people are taping UFOs that really seem to be alien types, you know what I mean? No explanation at all. Don't seem to be human UFOs, you know what I mean? So what I'm trying to say is, what is this? For example, we have 2 suns in the sky. Okay, in the northern hemisphere it's really clear. You can see it really clearly from some places from the northern hemisphere. You can see that our 2 suns, the second sun is way much smaller. I've just showed you a picture of our second sun and a small object that ejected from it that seems to be a UFO, an alien craft, you know, just in the beginning of the video. And we have all these videos and pictures coming in from on our email and from Facebook. You know, these guys are really like passionate about it, and I think that we should be. Because take a look at this picture, for example. We seem to be, you know, like for instance, at first you would say, oh, this is just a lens flare. It's not a lens flare. Why are they chemtrailing the skies then? If it were to be a lens flare, why are they chemtrailing the skies like there were no tomorrow? So the thing is, guys, there's something happening. We all know it. We have worldwide summer going on. It's hot everywhere. You know, we have all these weird pictures. For example, this picture here is from CERN. It was a person that was, you know, I don't know if she works or not on CERN. It's an anonymous source, sent it to us and said, look, this is when I came out of CERN, I saw this. No adding, nothing at all, you know, just weird colors from the sun, coming from the sun. You know, like you're seeing right now. We seem to have two suns in our sky. And that is producing weird colors and weird lens flares all over. You know, there are no explanations at all for this. And there is no explanation at all for this. You know what I mean? So I just want you to post a comment below what you think about it. If you are seeing this second sun, please do send us some pictures, videos, whatever, you know, tape it. It's worth it, you know. And our email is thatimpossiblechannel@gmail.com. We're going to be waiting for you and your email. And you know what? This is just astonishing, people. Just remember that anytime, any moment, we could have massive volcanoes erupting. We could have massive earthquakes going on. Okay, I've just posted about it. You know, California is not on warning, but you know, there were only today more than 70 earthquakes in the tectonic plate that is and divides California. You know, and some of these earthquakes are actually activating some volcanoes around. So we have a pattern. Right? So you know, this is something that we should, you know, keep our eyes open to. And if you do have any pictures or videos, this is the time. Please do send it to us. We're going to be linking it to our channel. We're going to be exposing it, and we're going to be talking about it so people all around the world can know what's going on, what the government is actually hiding from us. So I'm going to leave you with this, and I'm going to ask you to please bear with us. You know, this is not easy information to just, you know, like listen to, right? It's not easy information. This is not easy stuff to linger on. So anyway, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment below what you think about it, and I'll see you again.
Two, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 2, 5, 7. 2, 5.